Gay rights advocates say gay Americans are denied employment, fired from their jobs, or otherwise discriminated against just because they are gay, and they want federal protection. But many Christians fear this will come at the expense of their religious freedom.
This will affect religious liberty in the workplace. We've seen it at the state and local level where they've already established these policies. Religious speech that is in conflict with sexual, so-called sexual rights, you know, the pursuit of homosexuality, they lose.
ENDA has been introduced in every Congress except one since 1994. But this year, the momentum appears much stronger. The real question for people of faith, just how strong are its religious exemptions? And right now, a number of loopholes exist.
We're aware of it. We know that it's out there.
Scotty Velvin has owned a Christian bookstore for 20 years and fears ENDA could eventually affect the publishers she buys from and the employees she hires. Under ENDA's current configuration, Christian retailers are not exempt. That means any Christian business with 15 or more employees would have to comply. And that could mean hiring workers who don't believe in traditional biblical views of sexuality.
A law that would require an organization to retain employees, for example, who don't fulfill that organization's mission is a dangerous law. It's like requiring an environmental group to fill up its board of directors with lumberjacks or requiring a Democratic senator to hire a bunch of Republican staffers.
Also at risk, Christian parachurch organizations like the humanitarian group World Vision. It has spent years in court defending its religious status, and it may have to again under the religious exemption language found in ENDA. Nimitz and other conservatives also believe ENDA will impede public schools. The special protections for gay and transgendered teachers will make it extremely difficult for districts that might want to remove them from the classroom.
The ability of schools and school districts and principals to make sure that there are proper educators and influences for the children under them is going to be much more difficult.
Religious freedom advocates say ENDA's religious exemption language could and should be strengthened.
It would be really good to have language in ENDA that says that this is a bill that's intended to protect certain employees, but not at the expense of religious freedom.
And many are wondering what's next. First hate crimes, then ENDA, then same-sex marriage? That's already been the pattern in Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine.
We know that this president and the leadership of this Congress have advocated for the repeal of federal DOMA, so redefining marriage at the federal level definitely could be the next step.
For now, Christian employees and employers are hoping Congress will not just protect sexual freedom, but constitutionally mandated religious freedom as well. Heather Sells, CBN News.